Hey guys, get ready for some Christmas Day fun with our top 3 DIY games. The Reindeer Nose Dive is bound to get a few laughs and is perfect for 4 players. Before you start, cover your nose in Vaseline or lip gloss and place your pre-made string into your mouth. Each round lasts for 60 seconds and the aim of the game is to get the pom-pom to stay on your nose for 3 seconds. And obviously, you can't use your hands. Remember to film everyone so they know just how silly they look. The lyrics game is perfect for everyone at the table and all you need is a pen and a piece of paper. Pick someone from the group to go first. They will pick a song and say a line from the song, and the rest of the group have to write down the next line of the song. This continues another 5 times, and at the end we find out who has the most correct sentences. Make sure you stick to well-known themes like Christmas songs so everyone has a chance. Granny might not know Eminem's latest hit. Bobbing for candy canes is pretty self-explanatory, but it's so much fun and it's known to make people quite competitive. You put a candy cane in your mouth and hook as many other candy canes as you can in the allocated time. Whoever has the most in their basket at the end is the winner. Yes! That's my top 3 for a fun-filled Christmas day, and you probably already have everything you need to play them. Perfect! Thanks for watching.